welcome back for another video. My name is Aishcream if you're new to my channel, and I post content on fashion and I do a lot of turban tutorials. So today's video is in collaboration with Turban Stuff, and they sell turbans and turban accessories. So today I'm going to be showing you how to style 4 of their tube turbans, and these are them here. So I'm really liking the colours, they're really giving me autumnal vibes. So we've got this one here, which is like giving me like tiger come cheetah come leopardy print kind of thing. So that's there like that, and they're really nice and stretchy, which makes them a lot easier to style because it'll stay in place. So there's that colour there. There's this one, which is like a really nice leopard print but in grey. Really nice colours. And then this is, I think, my favourite one. It's another leopard print one, but in a brown colour. So I really like this one. I think this would really go with my complexion. So that's that one. And then lastly, we have this one here, which is the same as the first one, but in like a blue-green colour, which again I think will really suit me. So yeah, let's get into the tutorials. And you will want to use some kind of volumizer, so you can use this one or this one. My personal favourite is the scrunchie, which they sell on Turban Stuff as well on their website. I'll leave details to their website and links to all the products in this video down in the description box as well for you. Okay, so let's get into the tutorials. Okay, so for this first style, you just put the hat on your head, and for all the styles, I have the V right in the middle of my forehead. I have the V right in the middle of my forehead. You don't have to, but I prefer it like that for these styles anyway. Okay, so just put it on, and if you've got a little head like me, you can pin it at the back as well, just to really hold on to your head, if you know what I mean. Okay, so then you just take the tail and you're going to bring it over to the other side, and you want it to be kind of straight across, not angled, so just like that. And then you're going to bring it back round again and then angle it and take it back. So you see I'm going at more of an angle, and it's kind of, there we go, so it's angled like that, and then you bring it back round and then you're going to tuck it in. So you're going to get a bit of a bulge. The bulge helps with this style to kind of give it that crown look. I absolutely love this look. All you need to do is make sure that you make that bulge a bit more uniform, and just try and make it less of like an obvious bulge, if you know what I mean. Okay, and there you have it. This is such a queen crown. Ugh, I love this style so much. I think it looks so elegant. What do you guys think? Okay, this second style, the base is the same. This time you're going to take the tail, bring it round over your head, round the front, back round again, and this time you're going to take it down to the other side, and then you're just going to kind of loop it through a bit, just like that. And then don't pull it all the way through, just looping some out like that, and then take the rest of it and just tuck it into the pocket round at the back. And then just adjust that front bit, and you've just got a bit of like a, I don't know, like a fun fringe type thing going on. And I think this style looks so cute. You saw how quick that was done. No pins, so easy, but super chic. Okay, and this third style, again, same starting point. This time you're going to bring the tail round, so same start as the other style we just did. Bring it round again, and this time you're going to loop the tail through that first bit that you just wrapped around your head 3 times. Once you see the style, get the hang of it, you can loop it through as many times as you want, but for me, I did it 3 times, so it kind of stopped kind of the middle of my head, of the front of my face, I guess. And then you just take the remaining material, fan it out, and then just tuck it in at the back like so. And then I just push that bit back a bit, and you just get quite a, I don't know, it's quite a unique style, but I really like it, you know. And there we have it, super easy. This is my favorite style. So all I've done is plonk a volumizing scrunchie on top of my head. I literally just plonked it on there. And then just take this tail, and this kind of scarf is so perfect for this style. Just keep wrapping that tail round, taking it upwards, and you have this gorgeous Nubian queen. I just love this one. I really, really like this one. And I think it really suits me, guys, right? What do you guys think? If you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. Let me know, guys, which style was your favorite, number 1, 2, 3, or number 4. Leave a comment down below, and I will speak to you down there and catch you next week. Bye.